funny green British woman is coming for you.
What the freak?
Do you know who the funny green British woman is? The funny green British woman lives in Britain. I'm horrible at video games. You're a funny British woman. I didn't get a chest plate. This makes me disappointed. The insanity. Die. I want your chest plate. You did not die.
Okay.
You died, except you did not get your chest plate. I am not satisfied. My hunger will never be filled. Why does that take so much knockback? Oh my god, I hate knockback.
Are you okay?
What does it look like? Okay, I'm not okay. This is not my normal content. Please don't hurt me. I like to think you're just awkwardly sitting there, knowing that your impending doom is coming.
Yes.
I like it when people accept their impending doom. Makes it more funny. Everybody's impending doom is coming. I don't even have to burn the world alive. Global warming is gonna do it for me. Get wrecked, bozos.
Oh, okay.
I want your boots. Give me your boots. And I guess your hat, technically.
I just found a picture of me in kindergarten.
Don't. Okay, that's... I'm not sure if that's traumatizing or not.
It is.
Okay, then... I'm not gonna click on it because... Instantly. Because... I'm recording a YouTube video. I have a diamond everything. That full diamond armor and a diamond sword. I'm such a professional gamer.
Yes.
This is such a skill-based game. It's just skill. Where did the paper thing go? The paper challenge is funny. I know. Everybody sweats so hard in hypixel.
Frank.
Hypixel is such a sweaty place. Like you can like feel the sweat radiating off of them. Like you get in a sword fight and you can just feel somebody bows you, and you just feel and you can just see the sweat dripping past you if you dodge it. If you get hit, then you're just covered in sweat.
Yes. What am I looking at?
I'm so sorry. I don't even have to know what you're looking at to know it's traumatizing.
It's not that traumatizing.
I'm so sorry because you said it's not that traumatizing. It's traumatizing. Wait, guys, don't hurt me with the bow. I gotta sort my inventory. Okay, I'm finished now.
Oh shoot. I gotta feed my lizard. I gotta actually get up.
No, that sounds so
We don't like that.
Here on the Plofloating channel, we hate getting up. Getting up is our worst nightmare.
Moving.
I really hope that I don't have to change my channel branding like halfway into my... Because Plofloating is a goofy all name, and I don't care. I like Plofloating.
Not yet.
It brings me a sort of resemblance. A resemblance of a 6-year-old me being stupid.
Yes.
Why don't you take knockback?
Mm-hmm.
I glitched because I'm just amazing. I'm just better than them. I'm just better, honestly. Just better. Not much, just better.
Yeah, just better.
I still have bad pants. My pants will never be good.
What?
Oh, experience. Nice. Ding, 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 ding. Do we have any in... no angles. Yarr. This is an intriguing Minecraft playthrough. Yeah. I could get sharpness 2 on the diamond sword. But whatever. This challenge isn't about thinking rationally, it's about thinking like an idiot.
Big brain move.
Burn. I want you to burn. Burn. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted for Christmas. Except for you. Woohoo! Oh, no. I could have won that game if I wasn't silly. No. Also, if I was good at PvP, that would have helped a lot.
I thought you were good at PvP.
I am okay. Compared to these other people, though.
My brother says that he is the god at PvP.
Well, I wouldn't consider him bad. I just might consider him bad.
He is pretty bad at everything. No.
he's good. He has a lot of CPS, which helps.
That's because he got like something. He got like a grip for his mouse.
Ah, yes. So now he can drag, like, I think, or something.
Yeah. He kept saying, "Oh, now I can drag click."
Yeah, I have to normal click for my. It's painful. Painful as Among Us. I don't want to have to deal with normal clicking. Like, what kind of loser normal clicks the way I do?
Oh, I'm gonna throw up. Ew.
Wow.
No.
I've actually
Oh,
thrown up.
that's.
I've actually thrown up over anxiety.
What?
Like, anxiety go burr, ha 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 ha. No
Yeah, that's
context.
what happens to me.
It's my job. I'm supposed to have 16 pounds of anxiety on my shoulders at every single living moment.
That's just what happens in the world of today.
Today. Not when the witches were being burned. No, just today. Only today. Oh God.
How many more days? Okay, so today's the 14th.
Today is
8
actually
more
the
days.
13th.
Shut up.
Friday the 13th.
13th. Yeah, my friends were going crazy over that yesterday.
I just love it because it symbolizes murder and blood.
Oh, okay.
Ouch.
Good for
Fine,
you.
I'll just play the game like a normal person.
I'm feeding my lizard.
Okay, now you're gonna die. Painful, pain.
You wanna crawl
Die.
on
I
me? I
want you
got
to
food.
die. Die, pathetic fool. You wanna crawl on me? Die, pathetic fool. Ha ha ha.
Food. Food.
Traumatization? Ow. That hurt a lot.
You make really weird noise.
No, I don't. This is just YouTube. My first video on YouTube. Exploding dog. It's my.
Wait, that was your first video?
I think it's my like 4th most popular. If I lose, I'm deleting Minecraft. I want to watch him delete Minecraft, or they, or it, or whatever pronouns. I want to watch you delete Minecraft.
You're okay, buddy. No. You're okay. Claw my finger. Good boy.
Wait, wasn't it a girl?
I don't know.
Okay, you're just assuming it's gender on occasion now.
No, we're just calling it a boy.
So basically, you're assuming it's gender.
No. Like
We're
it.
assuming it's gender.
You eat your food.
They behumped me.
No, eat your food.
That, yeah.
Eat your food. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't you dare.
Why do I need to comment?
You fell, buddy. No, come on my hand. No.
I wish I felt bad about laughing.
No. Don't. No. You are crawling back on my hand, mister.
Assuming it's gender again.
Shut up.
It's very,
You are eating your food.
very hypocritical of you to assume somebody's gender.
It's a lizard.
Okay, I'm splashing regen and running. This is what I consider running, by the way.
No, we are not jumping today. No. Why? Nope. You can't escape from me.
Okay, I'm done dying.
No jump. Yeah, you can crawl on my arm, but you can't jump.
I wish this video got views. That would be so cool. And if you subscribe and like, I'm so sorry for saying that. Like, please don't click off the video. Please, I need views.
Buddy,
But otherwise.
you eat? No, we do not jump. We don't jump. I don't want to hurt you.
Do we sing
And
Little
you don't want
Baby
to
in the
hurt
middle of
yourself.
YouTube videos and then make everybody suddenly have flashbacks to 2016? No, 2015 actually. Because everybody did a geocide route. Why couldn't they just be nice? Come on, murder is... Okay, murder is actually really fun, but still, Sans will get mad at you. Anyways, don't you want
Don't.
to deal with, like, the
Okay,
extremely
buddy.
painful boss fights?
Can you just eat?
They had
Can
a
you eat your food?
pearl! How dare they?
Eat your food?
It wants to kill them all. Ding, 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 ding.
Eat
Yeah,
your
right.
food, please?
You just steal my kill. I'm going to steal you. And I was low health, so they stole.
You feel, buddy, please.
Not sure who you're talking to.
I'm talking to my lizard. Eat your food, please.
I thought you were like
Like-
begging me to stop.
No, eat your food. Buddy, you're getting your hands wet.
The struggles of having a pet. This is why I don't want a child.
Lick your food, please. I will get you crickets tomorrow. Just eat your food.
Why can't I actually place blocks? That would be so cool if I could, right? I don't even know what I'm doing with all of these. I'm just grabbing things. Oh, such a nice sword fight. Too bad, mine. Oh no, wait, strike. Strength? No strength?
Good boy.
No, I can't be a good boy.
Good lick. Good lick. Ugh.
Why is he licking?
Please don't jump onto my carpet, please.
Why were there like 16 rods in there? I don't need that many.
My finger. Buddy, that's wet. No, don't jump in there. Come on, come back on my hand. No, buddy, it's wet.
You sound really desperate right now.
Oh, you're wet. Buddy, come on. You can't jump in there.
What? Okay, I'm gonna go back to going insane. Yeah.
You can crawl my leg.
That physically hurt me.
If you dare poop on me.
Okay, I think this is gonna be the end of the video after I finish this game. Because I don't know, I just want to stop killing my throat. Do I want to stop killing my throat?
Please don't get wet, buddy. You can jump on the paper towel. The paper towel? Can you just eat your food? Eat your
Keybinds
food.
go goodbye. Imagine using keybinds. I don't use scroll wheel though. Please don't hurt me.
Why do you like Undertale so much?
Because it's a good game. Also, you don't have to stab everybody. Sometimes it's nice to have a little three-dimensional strafing.
You wanna get my shoulder?
Okay, this is the end of the video. Good.